Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your primary monitor on Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go and select the display option. And then you want to go down where it says multiple displays and go ahead and left click on that. Now at this point, if you have multiple displays connected, it should give you an option to switch your display settings. So by selecting advanced display, you have the option to change the display preferences. You can also change the refresh rate down here as well. If you go back, you can also go ahead and if we go back down to multiple displays, you can go ahead and detect additional displays if you've hooked them up, but they're not being recognized at the moment. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.